welcome back to Arpita's Fun Factory. होंगे आज दोनों जन गायब है, सो रीज़न है उसके पीछे। मैं जा रही हूँ आज कॉलेज इवेंट में और तुम लोग की डिमांड पे मैं शूट करूँगी आज कॉलेज में। फाइनली फर्स्ट टाइम तुम लोग को मैं मेरा कॉलेज दिखाऊँगी, देखना मज़ा आएगी। चलो तो अब उधर जाके मिलते हैं। मेट्रो के बाद 10 मिनट की वॉकिंग होती है गाइस। जो धूप लगती है वो खाली 10 मिनट्स में, उसी में हमारी बैंड बज जाती है। बट ठीक है, हो जाता है, करने के अलावा कुछ ऑप्शन भी नहीं है। गाइस ये देखो, ये मेरा कॉलेज है। वो दोनों सिक्योरिटी गार्ड विदाउट मंगलसूत्र मुझे कभी एंट्री करने ही नहीं देंगे, जो मेरा आईडी कार्ड है। ये है फेस्ट जो चालू है अभी, कल लास्ट डेट होगी इस फेस्ट की। Every night out, paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself.
You are very good, study well, hard worker. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Every night out, paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to.
We can also, it has feature of interaction. Now see, I will give him some command and he will follow. Hey Canis, sit. Hey Canis, stand. You can see it creates a command. Also it gives salute and hi. Say him, hey Canis. Hi Canis.
Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let go.
डेफ एंड पीपल्स रहते हैं, उनका है ना, वो साइन लैंग्वेज सिखाता है हमारा ये वेबसाइट, ताकि हम लोग कभी कम्युनिकेट करते हैं डेफ एंड पीपल्स से, तो हम लोग कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते, या फिर वो हम लोग कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते। तो हम लोग ने एक वेबसाइट बनाया कि हम लोग ये ब्रिज की तरह काम कर सके, कि डेफ एंड पीपल भी सीख सके और हम लोग भी सीख सके ईजिली एंड अच्छे से। सो हम लोग ने इसमें लेवल 1 बेसिस रखा है, जहाँ पे अल्फ़ाबेट्स रहते हैं, नंबर्स, डेज, मंथ्स रहते हैं, और जहाँ से ये लोग ईजिली सीख सकते हैं। एंड लेवल 2 है, जहाँ पे ग्रीटिंग्स, इंट्रोज रहता है, या फिर कॉमन फ्रेजेस रहते हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग, आपको किसी को गुड मॉर्निंग बोला है, फिर डेली बस रहते हैं, वो सब है।
Good morning guys, this is our prototype FPV nano drone. So we basically made a drone in a smaller size so that it could able to be navigate into a tighter space area. And the purpose of making this nano drone is using it in a disaster management area, surveillance purpose, indoor flying, and also implementing a swarm technology into it. Disaster management area in the sense, let's take an example. There is an earthquake in our college and a building has been collapsed. Due to which the normal drones couldn't able to navigate into in a smaller areas and couldn't see if someone is alive or not. We could able to send our nano drones and we can see if someone is alive inside the building or not. And if someone is alive, we could able to rescue them safely. And also using it in a surveillance purpose. Normal drones also can be used in a surveillance purpose, but they are bigger in size. They also create lots of noise and produce lots of heat, due to which they could be easily detected using radar system. The nano drones in nano drone, it produce very less noise and also generate minimal heat. So due to that, its chance of getting detected is less as compared to the normal drones.
We are into IEEE Hackathon right now, and I have guided projects like Paintbot over there, Roomzy is there, and Food Sentinel. They are the very good projects. Do look into it. Thank you.
Freshness by seeing it, smelling it, or seeing the color changes. But the actual spoilage starts 24 to 72 hours earlier due to pH reduction, nutrient breakdowns, and all that stuff. So what if the food sample is spoiled from inside? We cannot detect it, right? We need sensors over there. So here we have built a device called Food Sentinel, where we have integrated some sensors like NIR sensors, UV sensors, STD40, all these sensors, where it detects the spoilage, but it detects the carbon dioxide level, temperature level, humidity, and all these stuff. At the end, we estimate a freshness, the complete freshness, where if the freshness range from 85 to 100% is completely fresh. If the freshness range from 75 to 85%, it's about to get spoiled. You need to discard it. But if the freshness range from below 75%, it is completely spoiled. You need to discard it. So let us check by placing a spoiled food sample. We need to wait for 30 to 45 seconds to get the accurate results. Freshness 65%, that is below 75, it is completely spoiled.
From 26th to 30th of January. 30 will be the last date. So all are requested to join this event and explore their technical skills over here. Thank you.
के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही।
ठोक लीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ।